myself Manjula Athani. We have already studied about this part 1 of Unit 5, that is interacting with database is uploaded. So in that video we have already started this database, uh, interacting with the databases. The first part is already uploaded. In that first part we already seen that Java application will communicate with the database through these JDBC drivers, and types of drivers we already studied. So next we will see this. In this video we will see how to interact with this database. So driver interface. The JDBC API is set of classes, interfaces and exceptions used for establishing connection with the data source. What do you mean by API? Application Programming Interfaces. So this application programming interfaces is something that uh, is a application that communicate with one another. So this JDBC API is defined in java.sql and javax.sql packages. So this JDBC API is present in java.sql package. Before start writing the programming in JDBC, you have to import the package called java.sql package. And this the use of following core JDBC classes. So these are the main classes present in this SQL packages. So driver manager class, connection class, statement interface and result set. Package means what? Package is a set of classes and the interfaces. Is it clear? So JDBC API classes are supported by Java package java.sql. Hence, we must import java.sql.star in our program. Is it clear? First, you have to import this java.sql package. And next, we'll see that one by one classes. Driver manager class. When Java application needs a connection with the database, it invokes the driver manager class. When Java application needs a connection to the database, so Java application को database का connection करने का रहेगा तो first it invokes the driver manager class. Driver manager class is present in which package? Java.sql package. This class then loads JDBC drivers in the memory. In the first part, we have already seen that the types of drivers. So this driver class is present in driver manager class. The driver manager also attempts to open a connection with the desired database. We have to use the following statement for referring the JDBC ODBC bridge. So this is the type 1 driver we are using here. So class dot for name. For name is a method. It is present in class. Class का C capital है. Class dot for name, and this is the driver name JDBC ODBC driver, and it is present in Sun is a package. Inside this package, one more sub package, that is JDBC, and inside this ODBC, and this is the class JDBC ODBC driver, J capital, O capital, and the driver. So you have to write like this only, type 1 driver. And after that, connection interface. Next is what? You have to create the connection interface. So this is the interface which represents the connectivity with the data source. The connection is used for creating the statement instance. So we'll see that how to create the statement object. To connect, you need to get connection instance from the JDBC. To do this, you would use the driver manager dot get connection method. So you have to make the next step is what? You have to make the driver manager dot get connection. You have to create this data source name. That is, my database is the DSN name, data source name. DSN means what? Data source name. And then username and password. This is the optional. You can provide or not provide. It is an optional one. So once before this, what happened? You have to first create the connectivity, install the drivers, that is class dot for name sun.jdbc odbc jdbc odbc driver. After that, you have to make the connections. You how to make the connection using get connection method. This get connection method is present in driver manager class. The following statement can be written in your Java program to get connected with the database. So here two statements are there. First statement is what? Class dot you have to install the driver, and after that you have to make the connection. So connection का object को कैसा retrieve करेगा? Connection con equals driver manager dot get connection. So this is the what DSN name you have to pass it. And after that, you have to see the program. It is what? How it is writing the program. See, write a program to simply connect with the database. कैसा connect करने का JDBC से Java program. So, first statement is what? Import java.sql, and after that, public class, class name, and main method. And connection con initially null kiya, and then inside this try block you are calling this sun.jdbc class.forName. Using this forName method, you are creating this driver. You are this one driver you are installing sun.jdbc.odbc.jdbc driver, and then this connection object is what? That is con. How to retrieve the object of the connection? Using get connection method. This get connection method is present in driver manager class. So driver manager, so when you are writing this driver manager, it is a class present in this SQL package. Driver manager dot get connection, you have to write the DSN name. So how to write this? So how to write this DSN name? JDBC colon ODBC colon DSN name. And after that, you have to write this system.out, whether the connection is established or not. The connection successful. And after that, you have to close the connection object. And then try block का बंद close किया, and then catch को हम लोग close कर रहे. So catch, if the connection class not found error is there, then you have to print the message. Exception handling you already studied in 5th semester. So, and one try catch can have multiple catch statement. Whichever the exception is occurring, that particular statement will be executed. If class not found exception is occurred, and this message will be printing. If SQL exception is occurred, and this message will be printing. So coming. So now after that, once the connection is established, your output is connection successful. This is printing. So in the above program, essentially we have to handle two major exceptions. One is class not found exception and SQL exception with the help of try catch block. Next is statement interface. So first you have to establish the connection. How to establish the connection? Using class dot for name, and then you have to pass the driver name. And after that you have to make the connection. How retrieve the object of the connection. How to make the object of the connection? Using driver manager dot get connection, and you have to pass the DSN name when you are using type 1 driver. These type 1 drivers are what? It is only for this Java version 6 only. It supports only 6 ones. After the JDK versions, more than 6 versions, the type 1 driver is not supporting. When you are doing this type 1 driver, you have to use this JDK version 6.0. Is it clear? And then next is what? Statement interface. Statement object is used for executing static SQL statements and obtaining the result produced by it. The statement interface cannot accept parameters. Creation of the statement object. How to create the object of the statement? The statement object can be created using create statement method. So this is the method. Using this method, you are creating the object of the statement. Is it clear? So how to create? Using this create statement. This create statement method is present in connection class. So that's why you are using this con dot connection का जो भी object रहेगा, that object dot create statement use करेगा तो you are retrieving the object of the statement. So statement interface किसके लिए use करते हैं? Statement object is used for executing the static SQL statement. SQL statement को execute करने के लिए you need the statement object. Is it clear? And next step is what? After executing the statement object, one of the following three methods can be invoked. First is execute, second is execute update, and third is execute query. Here you are supposed to execute three methods: execute, execute update, and execute query. And we'll see that. So execute, it returns the true if result set object can be retrieved. Otherwise, it returns false. Use this method to execute the SQL statement. The general syntax is Boolean, that is execute string SQL query. You are supposed to pass this SQL query in this one, and after that statement st, statement का object st रहेगा तो st dot execute. So it returns what? True if result set object is created. So you have to create, the next step is what? You have to create the object is created, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So next is what? Execute update. It returns the number of rows affected by execution of the SQL statement. Use this method to execute the SQL statements using insert, update, or delete statement. The general syntax is integer execute update. What it retrieves? Number of rows affected. 2 rows updated. What is this? 2 rows updated. 2 rows deleted. 1 row deleted. Huh? So 1 row is updated. This is inserted. So execute update will returns the integer. This is very important for the exam point. They are asking execute returns what? Int, boolean, or result set object. Execute returns boolean. Execute update returns integer. And next is what? Execute query. It returns the result set object. Use this method when you expect to get the result set. Normally, this statement is used with a select statement. So, in the general syntax is result set execute query. Execute query returns the result set object. Is it clear? And then close this statement object for this statement dot close. So we'll stop.